I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up alerts on the Barclays app, follow these steps to ensure you never miss important notifications about your account. Step 1. Open the Barclays app. Launch the Barclays app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're on the home page, find the Settings icon, usually located in the top right corner. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Notifications or Alerts. This section allows you to manage your alert preferences. Step 4. Enable desired alerts. In the Notifications section, you'll see various types of alerts you can enable, such as transaction alerts or balance updates. Toggle on the alerts you want to receive. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred alerts, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Remember, if you don't see the alerts you want, check if your app is updated to the latest version. Happy banking!